going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. And I thought it was pretty appropriate for this little background. Aurora's held on to its gains very nicely today. It did have a really nice dip throughout the day, so anybody who was trading it, it's done pretty well. At least in terms of the day, if you bought the dip throughout the day, that was pretty good. It did dip to about 11.5, I believe. I don't know why this stream's not working. I'm trying to set it up here on my phone. Sorry, guys. Give me 2 seconds. It says I'm live, but I'm not. What's up, Doug? Okay, so let's go to the actual... Sorry, we'll pull up the... we'll pull up the markets here. Perfect. We're seeing a huge rally on the S&P 500, up 1 full percent. So there's a bunch of companies I want to look at, not just ACB, but we will look at ACB. We'll read the news for you guys one more time. Also got some articles. Wall Street lifted by benign economic data. We already checked in with that though. But here, let's pull up ACB. I hope this is actually working. Up 11.75%. Looks like we're going to hit 12, so ACB has almost more than recovered. Although in the morning we did hit about 11.25, so we'll pull up the full chart for ACB. The midday sell-off was probably just profit taking. It's been pretty much nice and steady since about 10:30, so things are looking pretty good. Oh my gosh, I don't know why the chat's not working here on my phone. Sorry guys, let me just fix this. What's up, Mark, Max, Jeremy? Chat sucks on this phone. There we go. Badrill, Joy, what's going on, Joy? The Joy Mr. HD. DG stocks, not slots. We're not gonna script your name this time. Mikey Levy, Alec, Christopher, Steven, Holly. What's up, Holly? Jose loves boarding, bro. Do you see ACB going below $8 again? Are we talking USD? Not right now. I mean, I wouldn't really think about... The market would have to tank for ACB to go much lower right now, personally. I don't know. I just think we're starting to move. Like, this is the move that everyone's been waiting for. You know, ACB was trading in a pretty tight... Let's get this crap out of the way. Why? I don't want your bullish pattern. So ACB was trading tighter and tighter and tighter, and like I said, this wasn't a technical move. This is a move on news, but we definitely broke out for now. So for now, it is somewhat speculation, don't get me wrong, but I do think that this guy will be good for the company. Yes, I use Canadian currency. Will a big sell-off Thursday or Friday? We'll see, Max. We'll see. That's not really what I want, but anything's possible, don't get me wrong. But the stock markets are rallying like crazy. We're seeing a continuation of the rally. We did stumble a bit at 2,800, but we're just pushing right on. But the markets are pushing up on weak inflation data. So speculation that the Fed won't raise rates faster. It's funny how bad news is good news nowadays, in a sense. So good news is bad news is good news. It's just pretty funny the way things work right now. It's anything to keep a lid on interest rates, as long as interest rates aren't going up and that cheap capital is continuing to flow. What's up, Mullen? Aaron is a smart guy. Thanks, Doc. Who is buying ACB now? Aurora will be the king. Let's hope so. I sure hope so. Did we just lose you guys there for a second or what? Why are we losing Maybe it's my internet. Is the connection still good or no sound? Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. Can you guys hear me? LOL, no. I have sound. All good. I lost you for a sec, but everything's good. Yeah, we lost like half the people in the room there for a second. That's pretty crappy. What is going on? One sec. Sorry, guys. Let me just check in here for a second. It says we have 42 people. That's weird. On my other computer, it's showing 20. Oh, well. Will not let FOMO take over me. Yeah, don't let FOMO take over. Medmen, yesterday should have purchased more. 19. It's 20 people watching. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. See, we saw this crazy drop right here. We were at like almost 60 people. And then something happened. It's all good though. Let me reload this. Cam Batley can't negotiate. They will come back. Yeah, probably. Hopefully. America lost its internet connection. Possibly. But yeah, I don't know what was going on there, guys. Sorry about that. But it's time to take a shot of tea. Oh yeah, guys. Hit that like button. I didn't even ask you guys yet. I know apparently we only have 30 people. But can you hit that like button, please? A Boeing plane crashed into the YouTube streaming servers. That that would be terrible. That would be very bad. Awesome, guys. Thank you for hitting that like button. Hopefully my stream can survive. ACB up 12.12%. Let's hit 12 bucks today, guys. That would be nice. That's a nice looking chart though. Like I said right around 10:30, if I was looking to day trade ACB, I would have took a gamble on it at 11.50. Clearly we're moving up again almost to 12 bucks. But let's see the overall cannabis sector real quick. 1 second. I'll only be live till about 3 o'clock, so. Yes, sir. ACB, where is it going? Everybody's asking that. Where is ACB going? Right now it's going up. But if we look at the longer term charts here, if you really want my opinion. So we've broken out for now. We've broken out. I was talking about 11.50 allowing us to break out so we could potentially put in some support around 11.50 and then hopefully move up again, because we've seen it happen a couple times. You know, ACB, it's got this kind of pattern the way it works. It trades up and then it gets to a certain point and it either breaks out or goes down. In this case it sold off, but that was because different reasons. Then we rallied because of legalization. We rallied, and then we sold off. Now we're starting to rally. It's breaking out, but it hasn't seen explosive gains. Like today was pretty explosive, okay? 12%, whatever. But I do feel like the stock has lots more room to run if we get consistently positive news like we're hearing. Like, oh, now the guy starts to talk partnerships and all that kind of stuff. I think it's just the start. It's just the tip of the iceberg for ACB, but buying it at 12 bucks is definitely a speculative play. Be careful. Do your research and due diligence. But yeah, I think ACB's got lots of room to run. Look what happened to Cron. Look what happened to Canopy. All that kind of stuff. That's just my opinion on ACB. Always do your research, please. Billions invested yesterday. This stock should trade 32. Canadian, I hope you're right. Creeping up slowly on no momentum and volume has been flat for 2.5 hours. See the charts. That's why it's risky. Yeah, so there's a technical perspective. I can see your comment, but I don't know who that's for. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, support him. You know your comments get flagged. Never do your research on ACB, it's always a buy. Always do your research and never listen to me. Exactly. It's okay. I don't mind. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. 27 likes, 70 people watching. DG Stocks, I see you everywhere. Yeah, this guy's everywhere. I've called him DG Slots for the longest time. Because I'm thinking too much about the slot machine. How it got me time to kill and lots to burn. John Raz. Okay. What's that supposed to mean? Congrats to Aurora shareholders. What up, Mikey? Coin Stacks. Where's Coin Stacks? What's up, Coin Stacks? Wow, wonder if ACB can challenge VFF. Where is Neurosis? Yeah, where is Neurosis? That's a great question. Wow, ACB's flirting with 12 bucks again. That's hilarious. Okay, so Liberty Leaf Holdings up to 13 cents, up 18%. I wonder if there's anything going on with this company. This is a crappy stock, but it's been doing much better, at least today. New Strike Brands up 10%. So HIP is gaining, not too bad. Water's at 405. One second. Does anyone in here like BGRD? Brain Grid. We talked about Brain Grid a couple times. We can look at BGRD real quick. What are they trading at now? Haven't looked. A day or two. Flat. 16 cents. Very interesting company though. Look at that micro cap, 7.57. Of course, Tom, how did you just... It's like you got an alert on your phone that we were talking about BGRD. I'm very tempted to take profit on ACB. Yeah, it is tempting in a way, in a sense. Getting closer to 12 bucks. Hard to say right now. But I'll probably hold. I'll probably just hold. Bombardier. Yo, Doc, why do you want to look at Bombardier? If and when water gets back to 375, I'm buying. Come on, Aaron, buy with me. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. Oh, I want water to drop farther than that, though. 375. I feel like... Fine, let's look at water. Water's been really pissing me off. Mainly because I didn't do what I said I would do, which is buy when it goes below 4 bucks. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. I shoulda bought it when it dropped to 350. I sure hope it drops to 330. That's where I want to see it. What's up, Hiro Naka? Moner Boats. Everybody's in the stream today. I'm in for the long haul. Holding until you see that whites on their eyes. Hexo's up on the buy. I think so. Unlike LPs, it's hard to gauge BGRD's growth. Most of it will come from contracts and expansions. Yeah, it's a micro cap at the end of the day. It's in Canadian dollars, Austin Gonzalez. Anyone asking, this is Canadian dollars. Because don't forget, ACB started in Canada. You guys recently got ACB. We've been trading ACB for years here in Canada. Selling ACB at $100, that sounds all right. What's ACB on the bar charts? You missed the water boat. Yes, sir, Bruce, but my name has 2 A's and 1 R, not 1 A and 2 R's. But it's okay, I'll forgive you this time. I'm learning it's best to take profits as they come. Watergate. Yeah, 350. I should have bought water at 350. But I want to go long, so it's like I want to just buy and wait and hold on to it. So I'll be patient. If the markets pull back again, like this was, it's so tough. Water. Damn water. At this pace with the volume. Okay, Kieran, buy and hold. Tilt Holdings. Doug, you're doing very well on Tilt Holdings today. So we'll look at Tilt real quick. Tilt's been downtrending though. Tilt might be an interesting one to look at. Wow. $297 million market cap. And yes, I'm using the line graph. Don't hate. Tilt looks like an interesting one right now. Citron Research is releasing new info on Departures Capital Holdings. Andrew Left initiated a buy recommendation on Departures Capital. But he's shorting Tom the Trader. Andrew Left released a report saying how he's going to short Tom the Trader, but he's going long on Departures Capital. I'm just messing with you. Check out our cannabis on Facebook. Vivid Farms LLC. Or, if you want a better idea, you can hit us up, send us an email with your best bud, and we will be sure to talk about whatever you're doing and review it. Tom the Trader has been spot on with his charting. Yes, he has. I know. I'm just joking. Tom's awesome with technicals. Cool. There we go. 1 week ago, sold ACB at $35. Profit minus $9.99. Commission fee. I bought into FTEG at. Wow. I know, Doug. I had to fix it. I had to fix the hair. We're good. We're good now. Anyways, enough of this stuff. Sorry, Doug. On to the next stock. Yes, sir. We'll look at Medmen in a second. I'm just looking at Hexo up 5.4% after they bought New Strike Brands. Investors are probably like, holy crap. How did you guys get such a good deal for this company? When a stock goes up 5% after buying someone else, you know they got to steal. But in my opinion, I have another pick. I haven't just had time to get my fill yet. We'll share after if this damn thing fills. I hope it fills. Medmen. What's good, Aaron? Check Largo. Largo Resources. I will. Okay. right after we look at Hexo one more time. So Hexo looks like it could potentially break out. It has been doing pretty good recently, and we are seeing it move up on higher volume-ish. So that's good news. I don't know. I think the trend's looking pretty good for Hexo. I think they got a steal on HIP. The guessing game. What cannabis extractor is valued at 1/33 the market cap of labs and has 1/5 the production capacity? Well, that's a great question. I will leave the research up to you, Tom. You find the winners and we'll help hype them up, or we'll help talk about them, or we'll help get them exposure. But I appreciate all the research you do. You know what I'm saying? So, my man, I'll always give you credit though. Next, Liberty Leaf Holdings. Can you please look at Liberty Leaf Holdings for me? I'd love for you to take a look at this company. Look at this beautiful chart. Pew! Went down to 9.7 cents. Tom hates RTI, but I think it's a buy. Ooh, Sears. Now you're talking. Don't get me too excited. Sears, I especially like their business model. Not to mention their growth outlook. Fantastic company. Yes, sir. We're talking more about ACB. Sorry, I just wanted to take a quick look at this charts, but get rid of this. Go away. Bye-bye. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, Liberty Leaf Holdings. Holy smokes. Can this thing ever turn around? I don't know, guys, but we're up. It's the biggest gainer in our watch list today. So, next company, New Strike Brands, is up 10. Excuse me. New Strike Brands up 10%. Kind of think they got ripped off though. Hexo got a good deal on this company. Really good deal. I wish we would just see more M&A activity. Get rid of all these crappy performing small caps. Not saying the company's crappy, but the performance has been dismal, especially recently. Like, New Strike Brands has not performed that great. If you look, it's been downtrending since like the start of 2018. And anybody who bought in and was bag holding, I mean, expecting it to go back up, well, that's not really that much to recover. So, Man Bun Management for Life. Namaste is a good company. It just has bad directors. Yep. They need to get their Man Bun game on point. Oh, my neck's killing me. Next company, we already looked at Alkaline Water. Ooh, this is a stock that I want to talk to you guys about. Completely non-related to cannabis. So we'll just show you guys something else, something that we're, because cannabis is realistically about 15% of total portfolio holdings. So guys, this stock has been all over the place, but have to go shopping. Thanks for the stream. No problem, Joey. But you should be shopping in the markets. Must say, guys, I was happy with this purchase. Bought the dip hard on Neo Performance Materials. Bought it at 10 bucks. But this stock's been going crazy, so this stock sold off like crazy. Popped, they were going to get bought out by a company, then the deal fell apart. Now it's recovering again. The company's making money, though. That's the thing. They're making good money. They've got good cash reserves. Pays a dividend, but look at that messy, messy chart. But bought it at 10, so it's kind of a joke. Thanks, see ya. How do you feel about James E. Wagner? That's a great... Oh, Brain Grid just went down 3.12%, aka half a cent. James E. Wagner. Yeah, we're looking. Oh, yo, Doc, you gotta send them an email. Send them an email. Tell them we still want to do that tour of James E. Wagner. We'll take one day off and do the tour. But they're pretty. Did you end up buying James E. Wagner, Tom? James E. Wagner. Vivid Farms LLC. Yeah, feel free to send that info. Perfect. We'll see if we can help you guys out. We'll see if we can do some business together. Thanks for tuning into the stream, though. Smash that like button. 43 likes. Let's see if we can get to 50. That shouldn't be too hard, guys. It's only 7 more. James E. Wagner, though, doing pretty good. Hey, Aaron, well, now what's your back? Hey, Aaron, now that you're back, what about Harvest Farms? Good job, Tom. Yeah, that stock's moving up very nicely. I like the chart. Chart looks awesome. Harvest Farms. Uh-oh. Would that be HVT? That's Harvest 1. What are we talking about here? Well, if I miss out on tomorrow ACB for not buying now, I will say like Buffett, I missed tomorrow jump, but don't miss them all. Mark Pepper. Yeah, Aleph's a tough one. Lewis, guys asking me about water. What do you think about the hemp stocks? I want to read that article too. Ooh, we're seeing a sell-off in the S&P as we move into the close, actually. But in terms of water, I didn't buy it. It's recovered though. Like, it's made a pretty nice recovery. I got greedy thinking it's gonna drop more, but that's where I went wrong. Oh man. I had 5 grand sitting around waiting to go into water, and then I said screw it and I bought some dividend stocks. Whoops. But I'll just sell some Manulife. Hopefully Manulife can get to 23 bucks. We are like so close right now. I just think it's pretty funny, like Wall Street's trying to find any excuse to move up. Like today we moved up almost a full % because inflation data was bad or was low. I mean, but I'm all for it. As long as gold keeps moving up, that's what I care more about. Come on, guys. Gold's up 0.96% to 1310. Let's keep going. Gold. Let's go. Crude's up like crazy though, 58.37. Shoot, I wonder what Suncor's doing. Suncor's probably outperforming. Oh, doing crappy. Good thing I sold Suncor. Sold Suncor and bought me some Barrick. There's my mom again. She just knows how to use the thumbs up button. Medmen. Medmen. I want to see Medmen get back up to $4, but at least it's in the green. That's all I got to say. 360 is a very scary level for Medmen. Like, if we drop below 360 and hold, I'd be very scared. So it's nice to see Medmen making a bounce. Hopefully we can keep going. I'd like to see Medmen go back up to $4 and hold that. But like Tom said, black hole territory. Speaking of thumbs up, who did not hit the like button yet? You can convert the emoji into a actual like. That'd be awesome. I pull my hairs by thinking ACB is valued at 10 billion as of right now, with 50 to 60 million in earnings. True, but it's all relative, right? Black hole is like, you know, you just get sucked in and then you don't know how low it's gonna go. But we do hold some Medmen. Definitely have bought Medmen. Down a little bit on it though, but I'm hoping that we see a nice little pop above $4. It's one of those stocks that, yeah, it's pretty risky, but we'll see. FSD is crumbling. Yo, Tom, what do you think about FSD right now? Like technical perspective, but also non-technical. It's dropping like crazy. It's down to 20 cents. One company that is going to have a lot of potential in the future is Neo. Let me link. Yeah, link that. Hiro Naka. He's got the warnings out for FSD. Okay, Largo time. Buy all Boeing. Let's see what we got here. When will Huge be added to the wall of shame? Here's some pics of their empty facility. Max is here. Max just came just in time. Wow, are you serious? No way. Hold on a sec, guys. Is this breaking news? I said I was only going to stream till 3, but that looks like it's not happening. Where is it? Come on. I want to see Boeing in free fall mode. Boeing is losing altitude fast. That's a very bad joke to make right now. But Boeing is losing altitude. Trump banned 737s and 738 Maxes from flying. Please drop that link. I like breaking news. Trump, the Don Donald. Will ACB hit $15 by the end of March? Well, it's a great question. Yeah, I never bought the bounce for Boeing, although it did have a nice bounce the first day. Wasn't buying into it. This tea is so good, guys, but we only have a little bit left. Super sad right now. I've got an idea. First, I'm going to sit up. Oh, yeah. First, we're going to fix our computer. Nope. 33 minutes so far. Oh, better send this. Oh, was that to pimp for more tea? Oh, man. Harvest Health, in addition to most of Europe, China, and African countries, also banned Max 737. You always crack me up with those tea jokes, Max. Oh, no. I just spilled the tea. Guys. This is bad news. Shit, what is that? Sorry. We're gonna need to elevate the computer with our naughty button. Okay, we're good to go. The stream must go on. Naughty. Can't believe I spilt the tea. It's like my second last cup of good tea and I spilt it. is insane. Yeah, I know. Back in the day, I spilled tea all over a laptop during a WoW raid. That's awesome. I know, guys. Sorry, it's a rookie move. I spilled the tea. Got these little cups, and they're just prone to spilling. Need to do more research and due diligence on this cup. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see where the hell is Boeing. Why isn't Boeing dropping? I want to see something exciting. 10% more. Like, that's going to bring the Dow down like crazy, though. Currently, the Dow's only up 0.37%. Nasdaq's leading the show. S&P's up 0.8%. We haven't really checked in to see what are the most trending stocks. I do need the green cup, but right now the green cup's occupied, but we still got some coffee. So we're all right. Just don't spill that. If I spill that, the stream's going offline. Boeing is the #1 trending stock on the day, finally outpacing Apple by 15% popularity. Barely, though. Everything else is in the green except for Roku, down 14%. Holy smokes. This is craziness. Nvidia is doing pretty well. All right, let's see what are the top losers. Volume's nuts on Boeing. Top losers. Ocean Power, no thank you. Roku, biggest. Wow, Roku is down 14%. Nothing else exciting. Let's see what's gaining on the day. 88 Energy. Akari Therapeutics. I've never heard of that company. Oak Tree. Oak Tree's up 12.2% as Brookfield Asset Management is buying the company. So that's really the only one I'm looking at in this group of stocks. That's pretty good. 7-minute delay on bar chart. I could definitely take a look at that website. I'm always open to new websites. The only thing is I've got my portfolios and crap all set up here. So, ooh, we just hit 100 people, guys. Smash that like button. That's a fictional portfolio, by the way, so don't get too excited. Got a little bit more than that. So anyways, let's see here. Next green wave. We are seeing a couple red. IIPs. Ours up 3%. ACB's flirting with $12 still. .48 South is down 5.6%. Oh shoot. Let me show you guys something really funny that I just made. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know why it's not letting me in here. Let's go, guys. There we go. Check this out. I made this funny picture. Don't get offended, guys. It was just... Where is it? Oh, no, not this one. So we were just making some memes. Doug posted this meme. This is why the 1% succeed. Stock ticker. So I had to make a better one with Aurora there. And then finally, where was it? Just post my video in there. Oh. We'll let you guys just take a look at that for a couple seconds. All right. Anyways. Just trolling. That's all we're doing. We're just trolling. Yes, we're beating Midas Letter. We have more viewers than Midas Letter right now. Good job, guys. Thank you for tuning into the stream. I know, Tom. I'm just kidding. But feel free to make some memes about me. I think that'd be funny. I think it's my challenge. Just gotta post this, sorry. Come on. Made $400 on Cannabis. Good job. I think if I made memes, the black heart in me would come out and it wouldn't be appreciated. Have you seen the memes, though, that people have made about me? I feel like there's not much worse it can get. But it's funny, so just give me one. Just give me one. Just give me one meme, and then how much you had to buy for that. Sorry, what? ACB up 13%. 12.4% here in Canada. Looking good though. Now let's take a look at a few other things. Oscan, is this stock ever gonna stop falling? This stock, holy. The meme training course is in the works, but I could definitely make a video on it. You know, when you make a meme, it's almost like an art. You gotta look at that picture and you just gotta think, what would sound funny? What are the perfect words to make that meme? Yep. So, oh yeah, shoot. So Scott Norris, I'm glad that you sold 48 North, at least where you bought it, because it's been dropping ever since. And I mean that the buy and the sell were your decision, but I'm glad that you made that decision and didn't lose. That's cool. FSD's down to 19.5 cents. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Probably might have been a good choice. Yo, we're gonna drop the link to our Discord group again. Feel free to join our Discord group. Live chat all day, every day. Trying to build that community. We just hit over 150 people. So, feel free to join our Discord group. Tom's in it too, so if you like Tom, come to our group. I gotta find more creative ways to sell it, even though it's free. Oscan, this stock cannot catch a break. Damn. That's a scary looking chart. Kane, what's up, Kane? We just got a new member. What's up? Thanks for joining. Even while I'm live streaming. So flat. So now we're gonna look at a few more things. We're gonna look at a few more things and then we will go. I'm not gonna do a full hour stream today, guys, because we've already been on for an hour and a half, so I got some stuff to do. But I want to look at a few more things. Alamos Gold, this top performing stock. Barrick Gold. Ooh, Barrick's actually moving up. This is exactly what I like to see. Barrick's moving up the same as Suncor. Such a joke. Suncor should be up like crazy. First Mining Gold, 37 cents. So these are a couple more charts we're going to take a look at before we head out. Alamos Gold plus Aurora is the golden weed ticket. Alamos has been on fire. What's the VIP trader pack like? Do you give us a look inside? Looks on what you have. So there will be a VIP trader pro, which is holdings and trades and everything. VIP starter, not starter, but the $15 version of VIP per month is I take almost every sector, but here, I'll show you real quick. But you can also see on departurescapital.com. Or I can just go to my Gmail and show you. Yeah, I'll just show you our VIP. Quick little report. 1 second. Yeah, so because the report's old now, it becomes irrelevant after the weekend, but essentially, so market recap: precious metals, cryptocurrency, technology, cannabis, oil and gas, defensive stocks, what to look for. So recap the markets. There's lots of great charts. You've got great information about every sector, charts, things to look for. Then we do include a watch list, and I consistently update the watch list. Stocks to look for, levels to look for. So crypto, stocks in the crypto space, etc., right? So technology stocks, cannabis stocks, we've got lots of information every week about the cannabis stocks, the cannabis sector, different stocks to watch. So I don't tell you my exact trades, but that will be in the premium version, but you'll always be able to upgrade as well. So the premium version comes out, you can just upgrade it. But yeah, for 15 bucks, I can't think of a better way to get not only a recap, but the week ahead watch list, companies to watch. These are essentially all the companies that we're watching and investing in, because most of the stocks in there we do own. So yeah, anyways, if I don't buy it and it goes up tomorrow, I'll be pissed off. Brownie, what are you talking about? I'm answering a question. Foo-foo. 37.5 cents. See, if you subscribe to our VIP trader report, you would have seen that I've been talking about First Mining Gold, and I bought it live on a live stream at 34 cents. Anyways, doesn't matter. This song's annoying. Aphria Tetra Biopharma. Aphria, pretty speculative. It's all good. I know you guys are giving me a hard time. I know you're giving me a hard time, Brownie. It's all good. At least you're not a Norbert. Where is Norbert? Should change it to Norbert sucks. Savaria Corporation down 1.5%. What is going on here? Man, these senior living stocks have been performing to my liking. BTB REIT in the green. I think this thing's going to $5. Ooh, Suniva, $5. What a joke. Yo, Alamos Gold though. Alamos Gold is on fire. Let's take a look at these ones. Sorry guys. Non-cannabis related. Barrick should keep rising if gold keeps rising. I'm liking where Barrick's going. Barrick has almost fully recovered after that blip on the new mount deal that got thrown out and turned into a joint venture. Hey Tom, what does 1 mil in the ask mean? New question. Let's look at div. Yes, sir. Let's look at some dividend stocks. I haven't invested much in hemp. That's a sector where I need to do a lot more research. Barrick is technically considered a dividend stock in my perspective. 2.1% is not that great, but it's pretty decent for a miner. So this year I was buying Barrick at 14, 15, and 16. It's played out pretty good so far. Alamos Gold's been a huge winner though. Huge winner from $4, from $3 all the way up to $7. Man. What the heck is this? Here, let's just drop our link right there. What? I just dropped my link on the chat. Okay. First, mining gold. Can this thing break 40 cents? Honestly, if this thing breaks 40 cents, which I'm hoping it's going to, because the charts are looking good, that's going to be real nice. Come on, Alamos Gold. Level 2 readings, your broker may offer it. What did you buy at Torkno? What? Can't stop, won't stop. Rockefeller Records. Where is Norbert? Hold on a second. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this stream up pretty soon. Just a few more things I'm looking at. I'm investing in tea. Aurora's 1 cent off $12, then I'll dump it and get ready to buy. Thank you, Scott. I hope so. Is there any large sell orders on BGRD or KHRN? Norbert is a Germanic given name for North, and birth. 1202. There you go. So we just went above $12. So. $12.02, guys. Make sure to send me a message when we get to 15. I'm just kidding. But ACB is looking pretty good today. Got some green candles. I should buy a green candle for these live streams. Gobble, gobble, gobble. That's pretty much it. I mean, there's not much else to talk about other than the fact that, I mean, I could ask you guys to make memes. We should do some kind of meme challenge. Man, Boeing is... I guess this is where Trump announced, like, that he was going to ban those planes or whatever, and then it recovered so far, so. One sec. Did you post it? Was it flagged? Nothing. One more, what do you think? On fire, 47. Looks like $12 positive vibes. Wish is gonna happen. Yep, and the markets are actually pulling back right now. So we're seeing the markets pull back. We're seeing gold continue to run. And what is the dollar up to? The dollar should be tanking today. The dollar should be tanking because they're clearly not going to raise rates for a while, and that's not support for the dollar. That's a BS sell-off. This thing should be down 1% or more. The US dollar index is really pissing me off. Yep. Come on, gold. That's a decent looking chart. Gold is making a nice little rebound. The trend still seems to be in place. We are seeing higher lows, so I want to continue this run for gold. Let's get right back up to 1350. I'm praying ACB gets a deal soon. If ACB gets a deal, whoa, might have to take some profit. But until then, not really planning to. All right, guys, what's the time now? It's been 56 minutes. I'm gonna end this stream before it gets to an hour, unfortunately. So the last thing I'm gonna do is drop the link to our Discord group in the chat. Feel free to join our Discord group. We can chat when I'm not here. So that's it for today, guys. ACB's doing great today, so you'll hear about it in my next video. Oh, last thing. I released a video today. It's kind of clickbaity, I apologize, but I just wanted you guys to watch it, so but it's kind of stupid, it's kind of funny. Got a lot of dislikes, but I'm okay with that. We'll give you guys a little preview.
Poppin', what's poppin'?
We got Marco from Whiteboard Finance.
What was that, baby? I couldn't hear you. My reception.
15
I got
dislikes
5
already, guys. Make sure to not.
You're the king of the Midwest.
You know, you already know, baby.
But we'll zoom to the part
Dirty
where
always hitting me up, bro. She's my.
How do you feel about the stock market and even the housing market?
here we go.
Like,
We're
what
gonna
do you
talk
think
about cannabis stocks.
What are the ladies for you? Let's get.
Hey, hold up. Once I come into town, though, companies out there doing their thing. In the Midwest, baby, I'm Money Mike.
If you guys watch
But,
Whiteboard Finance,
You know, there's some companies out there doing their thing,
listen.
Aurora Cannabis. I heard about them. Canopy Growth. Okay. Once I come into town, they'll be Canopy Slow. You know what I mean? Cause I'll.
all right, enough of that, guys. So feel free to check in. It's a pretty funny video. Whiteboard Finance plays a guy who is the definition of YOLO. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Green Day for ACB. We'll hit the button one more time, and I'm out of here.